So, the moment has arrived. We will start with definitions of what object-oriented programming is. Okay, so first of all, we'll start with what is an object. What are those famous things that everyone's complaining about that are called objects? Now, an object is a value or a set of values that can be manipulated by calling one or more methods. Okay, the most classic thing is, I don't know, a rectangle. Once again, let's pretend this is perfect and it's perfectly closed. Here, now it's better. This thing should be perfect. Okay, so what are the things that you can get or manipulate from a rectangle? Let's say you have like this rectangle and you're gonna work with it. What can you define? You can define this side, you can define this side, okay? You can manipulate the length and the width. And you can have methods, okay? Uh, these methods, remember, that's a fancy name for calling functions here in Java and in object-oriented programming. They're like instructions that can access the data of the object and can be applied to any object at the same time. Basically, you can manipulate things, you can compute things, you can set things. Okay, a nice method would be like, where are you? Here would be from the rectangle, return to it, we get an area, okay? Because we will be accessing the length and the width, and with that we'll get into the area, okay? Finally, we're writing a class. Now, I told you like a couple of slides ago, we were gonna define what a class is. So, it's the type of an object. If you remember, we wrote for like very basic data types, we write an int, day, and we wrote at 21. I don't know, it's a nice number. Okay, so the type of the variable day was an integer. Now, here you have been working with objects like since a long time ago. Okay, why? Because system.out, that line instruction that you use all the time for printing things in your computer, belongs to the print stream class. Okay, so this belongs to print stream. Okay, so that's the class that defines system.out. Now, hello world, that glorious phrase that you've been using since always. This thing is a string. You will be saying, okay, but isn't a string some very basic stuff? No, it's not that basic. Why isn't that basic? Just notice the first letter. Here, the S. It's a capital S. And what we told a couple of slides ago, when something starts with capitals, it just can be a class. Okay, so the strings are actually objects. Objects. Okay, I hope you have been mind blown. And as I was mind blown the first time I knew this, I'm gonna write an oh my god. And the guy, very surprised guy over here. Okay,